Hi friends, we're going to have a little bit of fun today. It looks like it's going to be a nice weekend coming up, so maybe you can have some time and spend and play outside. And I thought it might be neat for you to learn how to make your own bubbles. Now, I know we all have our little bottle of bubbles with your little bubble wand. Well, today I'm going to let you learn how they make those bubbles. It's really easy. It's like three things. That's it. You have water, we use dish detergent, and something called glycerin. Now, glycerin is thick and it kind of binds with the bubbles or with the soap, and it makes the soap thicker, or excuse me, it makes the bubble when the soap forms the bubble. Mixed with the glycerin kind of coats the bubble and it makes it thicker. So it's a little bit easier to play with and a little less likely for it to pop quite easy. It will still pop, but hopefully it will stay a little bit longer that you can play with. Now, all you do is you get a larger container, and I measured out 2 cups of water. I am just going to pour that right down in there. And then I take my dish detergent, and you get a 1/4 cup. You get a 1/4 cup of dish detergent, and you add it. Rinse out my little bowl. Add that in there into the water, and then I take my glycerin. I put it in here. It's just a clear, thick, clear liquid. And you get a tablespoon. You measure out 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Let's see, there we go. 1. Oops, you can't see what I'm doing, can you? And 2. And then you want to stir it up. Now, not too much. You don't want too many bubbles. But that's it. That's all it is to make fun to play with bubbles. Now, if you don't have a bubble wand and you may want to make one, I will show you how to do that too. We've all blown bubbles through a bubble wand, that like the one you get with the little stick with the little hole in the end of it, and you dip it in your bubbles and you blow it. Or you might have used one that's a fancier one that you stick it down in the bubbles and you swing it around and the air goes through the bubbles and they go away in the air. Well, if you want to make larger bubbles, which are actually kind of fun, all you need is 2 straws and some string, just some regular old string that you cut however big you want your bubbles to come out as. Now, I went on ahead and I fished one through, but the other one, I'll show you how I did it. You just take it. I have a cute little needle at school that we've all used, a little plastic needle, but I don't have that with me here, so you could put a little piece of tape on it and fish it through. I'm going to try it with the pipe cleaner, and I just push it all the way through, and voila, there it is. Well, now I got to get it off of the thing here. I've taken it off of the pipe cleaner, and I have 2 straws with the string coming out then. Now all I'm going to do is just tie it off, just like this, so that now when I take my 2 straws, I pull them apart, and you see I have a big rectangle. Now, how about if we go outside and let's see if any of this works. I have taken my bubble solution and I poured it into, I just had like a Pyrex baking dish, and I have my 2 straws and my string bubble wand. Now let's see if we can get this set up. I have no children helping me today, so we'll have to see how I can do this with one person here. Now, I'm going to get my bubble wand. And I'm going to dip it down in there. And the trick to this is when you pull it up out of the bubble solution, you don't want to stretch it out real wide at first. You want to bring it up so that it has bubbles. And then, whoops, let's try it again. Well, it's hard to do this upside down. Anyway, it's a trial and error. Whoop. Trying to get it. Did you see the bubble come out? Let's try it again. I moved it up a little higher because I was upside down and I couldn't quite get anything to work, but I had a really good one a moment ago. Let's see if I can get it. You just have to get the wind to catch it just right. Let's see. Oops. Well, okay, got it in there. Let's see if we can get something to blow. Was pretty cool. You just keep playing and catch the wind with it. Let's see if we can do it. Well, I'm not having a lot of luck here on the camera. Oh, here we go. Up, there it popped. But you can see, you can try it different ways. My bubble solution in there, and if a breeze would come, you know what, let's try it with our other bubble blower. Now I've got this one, and we're going to try, you can put it down in the bubble solution and lift it up, and let's see, wave it around, make all sorts of really cool bubbles. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can get both of the bubble wands, the plastic one or the one that you made with the straws, and you can run with it and see how the wind catches things. There you go. Woo. But hopefully you can mix up this bubble solution and you can just go and play and have fun tomorrow when it's nice and warm and sunny, and just have a good time. Alrighty, I will see you later on. Have fun.